Hello, my name is Ariel Lema. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my childhood. Um I was I was in a school called Concentración Deportiva de Pichincha. I really like going to school because had my friends and teachers and learning something new every day. My teachers were very nice and fun. My favorite subjects were sciences and math, English language. Uh, Thank you.